Addressing welcome to the AutoCAD tutorials. Today I'll explain how to draw the topic and the side view in the AutoCAD. First draw a line. Here draw a horizontal line. First draw a circle of radius R10. R10க்கு ஒரு circle வரைங்க. Here circle of radius R19 intersection point R19. இங்கேருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா offset distance is 60 mm கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So offset distance 60 mm. A circle of radius R15. Circle intersection point R15. இங்கேருந்து இந்த சர்க்கிளோட ரேடியஸ் வந்து R32. So circle intersection point R32. Now draw a tangent line from here to here. Now here the horizontal vertical distance is of 44. Okay, offset 44. Horizontal distance is 25. So offset 25. Okay. Circle intersection point R15. R15. Okay. Now fillet radius R16. So select this circle and select the circle. Radius is R16. Okay. R16 के fillet பண்ணியாச்சு. Then here the distance is 62 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So offset distance 62. The slot வந்து 30 degree inclined இருக்கு. Therefore line from this intersection point angle say 100 less than 210. ஏன் 210 it is 30 degree. Anti-clockwise measure பண்ணறனால it is 30 degree. Okay, 180 plus 30 is 210 degree. Okay, from here circle intersection point R12. Here the radius is given as R62. Center point of the slot is given as R62. Intersection point radius R62. Okay. So again circle intersection point R50. Okay. So offset distance 12. Okay. Now trim this circle. Circle trim பண்ணுங்க. Select. இப்போ மேல இருக்க circle trim பண்ணுங்க. Okay. So here you have to draw a, and the bottom also you have to draw a circle of radius 12. Then trim this circle. And trim the circle. Okay. Now erase this bigger one. Here also erase this. Now again trim this. Okay. Zoom enter all. Now we have finished this slot. Okay. Now here it is R22. Therefore the distance is offset distance is 10 mm. Offset 10 mm. Okay. Select the slot. Okay. Now erase this circle. Here the fillet radius is R32. Fillet radius R32. Select the circle and this smaller circle, bigger circle is R32. Okay, now erase this circle. Okay. Now set distance again 10 mm. select this. Okay. Zoom enter all. Now here the radius is R12 is given. Therefore fillet radius R12. Therefore select this smaller circle and select this bigger circle, and you have a R12 radius. Okay. Now offset distance 10 mm. Select the smaller circle. Enter. And here trim this circle. Erase all this line. Okay. Now we have finished the top view. Now we'll continue the side view. Okay. Here draw a vertical line. Here also draw a vertical line. Here draw a horizontal line. Here the thickness is given as 30 mm. So offset distance 30 mm. Fillet radius 0. Okay. Now okay. Here also draw a line in this quadrant perpendicular to the side view. Then trim this line. Okay. Now draw a midline. Here thickness is given as from the bottom it is offset 5 mm from the bottom. Okay, so offset distance 5 mm from the bottom. Okay, now erase this center line. Then again offset 10 mm. Okay, now trim this line. Okay, now here you have to draw the circle here. Circle intersection point. Sen of circle radius is 6 mm. We also circle sen of center point. Radius is 6 mm. Now from here line from the center of draw a line to the side view, and here also draw a line. Enter on. Now here it is a hidden. It is shown in the dotted means it is a hidden line. Okay, then offset distance is and the boss thickness is given as R15 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The boss for the radius is given as R15. Okay, so இங்க வந்து it is given as 30 mm. Okay, from here it is offset 6 mm center point. Okay, so boss or height is projection is 5 mm projections. Okay, so offset 5 mm. Now trim this line. இது 5 mm projection இருக்கனால நீங்க you have to show it. Okay, now extend this line. I will extend this line. Here also trim this line. இது ரெண்டு trim பண்ணுங்க. Using break command la you can break this line. Break command use பண்ணி select object ஒரு point fix பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த இடத்துல break ஆயிரும். Then you can erase this line. Okay. Zoom enter all. Offset 6 mm. Offset 30. Okay, then extend this line. Select object, extend this line. And here is extend this line. Then the holes. Okay, so trim this line. And here also trim this. Okay. Now here draw a line from the top view. Here also draw a line from the top view. Offset distance is 5 mm distance. And trim this line. Select the now erase this line. And erase பண்ணுங்க. Select erase. Using erase command, select this line. Here select this erase. Okay. And insert okay, it is okay. This side is okay. Now move this one, okay, and the center point, enough. So line mid in a pointer. Okay, there. Then the okay. This boss is 15 mm. Okay, so offset 15 mm. And extend this line. Now trim this line. Now erase this. Now you can copy this the whole thing. Full copy பண்ணுங்க. Copy intersection point. Line copy பண்ணுங்க. Intersection point to copy this intersection point here. Now erase this line. Then zoom enter all. Now since it is a hole, we have to show it in a dotted line. Okay. So erase this line. Here also erase this line. this. Okay. Now we'll give the dimension for that. Okay. Now first give the dimension linear. Select the center point of the circle to the center point of the circle. Horizontal distance is 60 mm. Here dimension linear. Select the center point of the circle to the center point of the circle. Distance is 44. Okay. Now dimension angular. Select this horizontal line. Select this inclined line. Angle is given as 30. Now select dimension linear. Select the center point of the circle. Select the center point of the circle. Then distance is 25. Okay. Now here dimension linear. Select the center point of the circle to the center point of the circle. Vertical distance is horizontal distance is 62. Okay. Now go for dimension radius. Select the bigger circle. Dimension radius. Select the smaller circle. Now draw a circle of radius 62. Using break command, you can here break select object, select the circle first point from here to here. Okay. Using break command, select object, yes. Okay, now here break command, select object. Now erase this circle. Okay. Now here go for dimension radius, select this R15 dimension radius, R6 dimension radius. You can give a diameter also, but whatever dimension given in the images, I'll mark it as the same thing. Okay. Now dimension radius, select this R, this R12. Here also dimension radius, select this R, this R32. Now here dimension radius, select this R, this R16. Okay. So here also dimension radius, select this R, it is R40. Dimension radius, it is R62. In dimension radius, it is R74. Okay. Now you get the dimension in the top view. Dimension linear. Select this point and select this point. 30 mm. Dimension linear. Here it is. The end point to this end point. So the thickness is 5 mm. Dimension linear from this end point to this end point. Thickness is 10 mm. The dimension linear from this end point to this end point. The height is 15. Okay. Now you have to show the dimension in the hidden line. Okay. Here also you have to draw the slot here. From this here draw a vertical perpendicular to this. Here also draw a slot. Now trim this line. Trim this line. Trim enter all. Okay. Now here select, go for by layer. There is no center options. Select other. Load type center. You okay. You okay. Now here this line and this line. Select the center. Okay. Now load by layer. Select other. Load. Select the hidden options. Give okay. Give okay. Okay. Select this line and this line, because these are the slots, holes and slots. Go for by layer, hidden options. Now here I can scale the image. Select object here, center point. Two times I scale this image. Okay, for better view. Now the dimension is not visible. Therefore, type dim style. Dim style. Modify symbols and arrows. Okay, say arrow size 8 mm. Text rate also increase to 10 mm text rate. Okay. Here it is above ISO standards. You okay. Now one more thing you have to do, lines offset for origin is click for mm. You okay. Close it. Now the dimension is visible. Okay. Now here you can click this to, you can modify it. Now the scale is, the dimension is doubled. Okay. You can modify it. Type 44 here. Here double click, type 15. Okay, R15. Here it is. Click, type R6. Here double click, type R16. Okay. Here double click, type 25. Here double click, type R32. Here double click, type R10. Type R19. Here it is. R12. Here it is R22. Here it is R12. It is R40. Here R62. This is R74. Okay. Here it is. Distance is, type distance is 60. Here distance is 62. Here distance is 15. This is 10. Distance is 5. The distance is 30 mm. Now go for LT scale factor. Because the hidden lines are not visible, go for scale factor, LT scale factor, type 10 times. Okay, now even it is not satisfied, type 20 so that hidden lines are visible. Okay, here select this arc, go for bilayer, say center. Okay, here also select this, reduce the length of center line, also reduce the length of center line, select this line, select center. Now here you can give it in a different color. Here I select this one, go for bilayer, give red. Okay, now I want to give the for all dimensions in the red color. Therefore I select this match properties, select these dimensions. Okay, here, everything I select this using match properties. Okay. Then enter. Okay, enter all. Now here you have to select, draw a circle and then break it. So this is 30 mm. Okay, now it is a full circle. Therefore, using break command, you can break it. Select object, first point, from here to here. Now select the circle, go for hidden. Here also circle, center point 30 mm. Now go for break, select object from here to here. Okay. Using break command, select object. Okay. From here to from select object. Already break. Okay. Now select the circle, of a bilayer hidden options to enter all. Here I change this color to bilayer to blue color. That means it is in the hidden. Okay. Therefore here also I change it to blue color. Color blue. And zoom enter all. Okay. So this is how you have to give the dimensions. Suppose if the object is very small, you can scale the object. Okay. Thank you for watching this AutoCAD tutorials, and we will meet on the next 2D sketch drawing. Okay. Kindly subscribe, share, and press the bell icon, and we will get regular updates in the AutoCAD tutorials. Okay.